Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a mango coriander chutney. This chutney is the best chutney of summer times. You can enjoy it with kababs, rotis, frankies and much more. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for our mango coriander chutney, we will need 1 big chopped mango, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red peanuts, 1 teaspoon of sanchar, also known as pink salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a couple of green chilies, half a lemon, 1 big piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and a bunch of fresh coriander leaves. The first step is going to be blending all of our ingredients together. Our ginger and garlic, sugar, red peanuts, cumin seeds, green chilies, salt, pink salt, and mangoes, along with the juice of half a lemon. And then we're going to blend it. So now we've got our mixture, we're going to add in our roughly chopped and washed coriander. We're just going to add it all in. And then we're going to add in a little bit of water to help it blend. Then we're going to blend it. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. So now that it's all blended, you can just stir it with the help of a spoon and check the consistency. Then it's time for plating! I hoped you liked this video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!